Hello dear followers, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you why there is no sound when recording iPhone screen, why the microphone does not work. Generally the microphone is turned off while recording the screen. The reason of recording sound is that the microphone is turned off. Now I will show you the solution. We scroll down the control center and hold down the screen record button. As you can see the screen, the microphone is closed. We turn on the microphone and press the screen record button. Now you can easily record the screen with sound. Remember, whenever you are going to record the screen, activate microphone and then record. If you like our video, you can press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.